And May is Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. The Utah Women in Leadership Project working to better identify how many women in Utah belong to those communities in hopes of creating more equity for them. ABC4's Northern Utah correspondent Kate Garner telling us what the organization is finding.
Equality's like, let's do the same thing for everyone, whether they need it or not.
Susan Madsen is the director of the Utah State University Utah Women in Leadership Project. She is leading the effort to put together a series of research reports that take a look at women of color in Utah to help community leaders as they work to ensure equity rather than equality.
When you understand more about people and groups of people, at least, you can design interventions, you can design help, you can design programs and initiatives that better serve the various populations that are here within the state of Utah.
She says the first step is to identify specific populations.
In Utah, we don't ask or we don't collect gender data a lot. We don't collect or ask race, ethnicity data. That results in is just data that's being published that's just general.
She says needs often change based on gender, race, and ethnicity. As of 2021, 22% of Utahns identified as non-Hispanic white. And the organization is now finding that nearly 14,000 women in Utah, or 0.45% of the general population, identify as Pacific Islander.
They're less likely to have health insurance. They're significantly more likely to forego medical care, less likely to have a personal doctor, less likely to receive preventative care.
The research finds that Asian American women in Utah are more likely to have college degrees and have lower rates of breast cancer than other women. However, they tend to have higher rates of poverty, opposite the national trend. So, why is this important to know?
When we know that that population generally is different, we can do different things. The health departments can do different things. We can message differently. Teachers can encourage differently. And that's really equity.
In Logan, Kate Garner, ABC4 News.